April the 12th, 2022, and we still have spring breakers coming down to Orange Beach and Gulf Shores, Alabama. So let's take a quick look at the beaches to see what they're looking like today. Thank you for watching the videos. These beachfront homes are going up quickly. That's going to be the Bluffs. Let's check out the Cotton Bayou Public Beach Access here in Orange Beach, Alabama. Big waves out there for here. Rough surf today, but a little overcast, not too bad. Not too crowded out today. You can smell the sunscreen in the air. Don't forget the public beach accesses are now pay to park. $3 for 2 hours, $5 for 4 hours, $10 for all day, cash, credit, debit accepted, but they do not dispense change. The beachfront restaurant and resident parking area is making a lot of progress, even from my last video of it a month ago. Now to check out the Romar Beach Public Beach Access. Don't forget the Leave Only Footprints program. All personal items must be removed daily. If not attended an hour after sunset, they will be collected and disposed of. State Park Beach Pavilion. And here's a quick little look at the Gulf State Park Beach Pavilion. May starts sea turtle season, when the mother sea turtles will start coming in and laying nests. They have put out some of these mats that make it a little easier to partially walk out onto the beach. And a little toy recycle area where you can drop a toy off or pick one up if you didn't bring one. Nice shaded little area up here with picnic tables and restrooms here at the Pavilion. If you're camping at the Gulf State Park campground, you can get a pass to park at the Beach Pavilion for free. Also, veterans who go by the state park headquarters and get a decal can park at any of the Gulf State Park public beach accesses and the state pier for free. The Branyon Beach public beach access is at the road that goes into the Gulf State Park campground. It does have some limited parking across the highway, and there's a boardwalk to walk out to the beach. Not quite as much parking there though. This is the Gulf Shores resident-only parking area. Residents must be full-time and have a decal attached to their window of their vehicle. Any other vehicles will be ticketed and or towed if parked there. And that's a quick little look around Orange Beach and Gulf Shores, Alabama on this April the 12th, 2022. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.